Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Thinkorswim script. In this walkthrough, we'll import a shared script into the platform using the built-in Open Shared Item feature. This is a safe and convenient way to bring in indicators or studies that someone has shared with you via a link. First, open the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see the main workspace and the top navigation bar. A stable internet connection helps here since you'll be pulling in a file from a shared link. Next, look to the top right of the screen for the Setup menu. Depending on your layout and theme, this may appear as the word Setup or a small gear icon. If your window is compressed or you're on a smaller display, maximize the platform to make the top menu easier to spot. Go ahead and click Setup. A small drop-down menu will appear with several options related to platform configuration and file management. We're using this menu because Thinkorswim treats shared scripts as items you can import directly into your workspace, avoiding manual file handling. From that drop-down, click Open Shared Item. This opens a dialog box designed specifically for script links. It's the place where you paste a Thinkorswim shared URL. Using this method ensures that Thinkorswim checks the link format and places the content correctly in your platform. Now paste the sample URL into the field provided. This should be the exact link you receive for the script with no extra spaces before or after. If your keyboard shortcut doesn't paste, right-click in the field and choose Paste. It's best to use trusted sources for these links, and if something looks unusual in the URL, verify it before proceeding. When the link is in place, click Import. Thinkorswim will process the link and bring the script into your platform. You may see a brief confirmation or a preview window that summarizes what was imported. That's normal, and it indicates the platform recognized the file. After import, the script becomes part of your available studies or strategies, ready for use the next time you customize a chart or scan. If the import doesn't complete, double-check your internet connection and confirm that the link is valid, then try the process again. That's it. You opened the Thinkorswim app, found the Setup menu, selected Open Shared Item, pasted the shared URL, and clicked Import. With these steps, you can reliably add shared scripts to enhance your charts and workflows, all within the platform's built-in tools.